Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss how to include the pseudocode in LaTeX. In order to do that, we need to include two packages, so algorithm and algorithm IC. After including them in the header, we're going to have the begin algorithm, and then we are going to have the begin algorithm IC, and we are going to have the end of both of them. In between, we are going to type down our pseudocode. So this part is the caption. So the caption is going to be here. So find maximum element in array, or you can simply say, for example, if your algorithm name is having some name, you can say, for example, taboo search. For example, the algorithm one is taboo search. The second algorithm could be whatever. It could be, for example, simulated annealing, etc. And then you're going to have whatever you want to have in your algorithm. So here we are having initializing the max here in the first row, and there we are having a for loop for I going from 1 to n, and then we are having one if condition here, and then we are having the state, and then we are going to have the end of the if and end of the for, and in the end this is going to return the value of the variable called max that we initialized in the beginning. So basically how we're going to do it depends on what your algorithm is doing. So you can type down your algorithm here, but something to mention is that by default it's not like a line, so you can easily type down your math signs. In order to type down your math signs, you need to have these dollar signs. So these two dollar signs are here. So in between whatever that is there is going to be written in the math sign. But before that, the initialize is in a normal font, you see. Then we are having the for in the normal situation with backslash that is going to have the for loop in the bold, and then everything is in the math part here again and here again. So just when you're using the algorithm pseudocode, be careful to use the dollar sign whenever that is needed. And you can take this code to be your template and insert your algorithm simply here. But whatever that you're going to start, like a for loop, you need to finish it also. You need to close it. If you need to close, you are using if condition here, you need to close the if condition also here. Thank you.